How does sell in May and go away affect your smaller holdings like Audius, Armor, and the future of money coins, LTC Dash, etc.? Good question. I mean, so for me personally, as we mentioned earlier in the show, it basically means that in May, if we think this correction lasts a while, you want to make sure you're in value plays. And when the music stops playing, you want to make sure you're in positions that you're comfortable holding for a long time, right? So basically, if you're highly speculating in projects you don't care about, in May, you basically go through and do a portfolio check and ask yourself, why am I holding this? Is this something I'm comfortable holding if we enter a 2 or 3 year bear market? If the answer is no, in May, you should probably take some profits, cash out, and have a nice day, right? So for me personally, everything in my portfolio, I'm fine holding. I would say the larger allocations. So Armor, I'm fine holding that for years. Audius, I'm fine with that. Liquidity, I'm fine with that. I would say probably the projects that have weak tokenomics. So Tornado Cash, while the technology is great, I'm hoping that the project can improve the tokenomics and give more incentives to token holders, whether it's through staking or launching some kind of incentive program. If they don't do that, then that I would have to really have a strong talk with myself to see whether I should hodl that. Forrest, how about you?
Yeah, I'd echo pretty much everything you just said. What I try to strive for is investing in good projects with good entry points. And what that means is buying a project when it's potentially undervalued, but also buying, or maybe that's buying in a dip, but also buying extremely good projects. The reason that's so important is because if we do go unexpectedly into a bear market, which is completely possible, we can do a lot of analysis, but at the end of the day, we can't control a second wave of a pandemic coming. We can't control tax rates getting hiked to 44% on capital gains, right? So if we do go unexpectedly into a bear market, you're going to want to be invested in solid projects that are going to come back in the next bull market. So for me, audio token, that's one that I'm very willing to hold for a long period of time. That being said, this bull market continues and I have opportunities to take profits at 10x, 20x, or 30x of my initial investment. You can count on me taking some profits. Am I going to sell everything? Absolutely not, because I want to realize, long-term gains. I want to realize 100x, 200x gains 4 or 5 years from now. But I'm definitely going to be taking profits if I have the opportunity to take those at 10x or 20x.
All right, thank you, Forrest. Bill, how about you?
All right, going back to what I was saying earlier, how our long-term portfolio models were recommending 30% cash. It's as simple as this. As soon as the tax headline hit the tape, even though it's old news, I just went to 30% stable coins and kept my portfolio the same. I kept the same holdings. I just raised 30% cash and I'm going to just wait for opportunities. So I might make less money by, waiting in May, but there's always a trade in crypto. There's always an opportunity, right? We get on this show and we go, oh my God, can you believe what's gone on this week? You know what I'm saying? There will be an opportunity. I just don't need to get caught in a margin call, particularly when our AI is, saying, having 1/3 in stable coins from time to time may be a good idea.
All right. Thank you, Bill. So if you're enjoying this live stream, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.